Alright everyone, so I went to go put this BMW battery in there, but this thing's actually quite bigger than the one that came out of it. You can see how much, longer it is, and that one is actually a little bit kind of big. It was a pain in the butt to get out. I had to actually take a 90-degree angle tool to pull it out of here. But I just went and jumped it off, for testing purposes, and you could hear, this engine. And that's what it sounded like when I got here. I said, man, I hope that's not like the engine itself, but it's actually the AC compressor. The pulley is just, the bearing is just going out. It just sounds like horrible. I took the belt off and ran it just for like a minute, and it sounded quiet, so I know that the engine is fine. And check one more thing too, because I was like, I want to make sure there wasn't no head gasket or nothing like that. But it had a little weird residue in there, but they say that's kind of common when you have a car sitting up for a while. It could get condensation in it. So I'm gonna take it down for a spin, just see how transmission shifts, and then go from there. And as long as that shifts good, we'll keep on going with it. But it's the interior. It's got a two-tone, but literally somebody was doing work in here, and they cracked this. So I'm thinking about taking like a plastic weld kit and fixing this, taking these parts off. And something's wrong actually with the hood latch too, so I gotta find out that's binding or something. And then I figured out what was going on with the switch here. They had it plugged in wrong, so look at there, it's got tape. Just that, I guess when I reset the card, it opened up, and now it's talking about code, so I guess I gotta put a code in there. So it's a good thing we did reset it. But somebody's definitely doing some work in here, taking parts off, and the glove box was all apart and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to reset it. We ain't got like a real computer in here, but they say turn it all the way to the right. Because it's got this little steering wheel light on, so I wonder what the heck that's all about. And turn all the way to the left, and we're supposed to lock it. And somehow this is supposed to reset something. Now, hopefully it will without a battery. I don't know. We'll see. I want to make sure that I can drive it a little bit. And I'm gonna move another car out the way so I can just move. I ain't gotta do nothing crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it down for a spin and go from there, and see how she shifts. All right, I'll be back.